नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर लोकेश भाटिया। सब्सक्राइब करें लोक टॉक्स चैनल को प्रोफेशनल मेडिकल गाइडेंस के लिए, स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड मेडिटेशन के लिए एंड लाइफ कोचिंग सेशंस के लिए। यह है मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर, आप कभी भी संपर्क कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार साथियों, मैं डॉक्टर लोकेश भाटिया स्वागत करता हूं आपका लोक टॉक्स चैनल पर। साथियों, आज चर्चा करेंगे एक बड़े महत्वपूर्ण विषय के ऊपर, जिसमें सारे यंगर जनरेशन जो भी 22 से 30 साल के बीच में की रेंज में हैं और अपने भावी होनहार लाइफ पार्टनर की तलाश में हैं या लाइफ पार्टनरशिप में ऑलरेडी हैं और किसी प्रकार की छोटी मोटी स्ट्रगल जीवन में रिलेशनशिप को लेकर के चल रही है। बहुत जरूरी है उन रिसोर्सेस के थ्रू जाना आज की तारीख में, क्योंकि अब ये वो दौर नहीं रहा कि जहां हस्बैंड वाइफ को दबा लिया करता था, डोमिनेट कर लिया करता था। आज की तारीख में लड़कियां बहुत वेल एजुकेटेड हैं, उनके भी अपने ईगो लेवल्स वेरी स्ट्रांगली बिल्ट अप हैं और ऐसे में अगर आप ये एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे कि आप जो चाहेंगे, जिस तरीके से आप चाहेंगे उस तरीके से आप उनको लीड करेंगे, ये शायद संभव ना हो पाए। This might not be possible if you are trying to dominate your female highly educated partner. So you should be very well aware about certain resources and you should read a lot about maintaining a fantastic relationship with your partner. How to lead a balanced life, balance in your relationship and your working life. How to make your life more and more peaceful. You must have heard about a Harvard study. A lot of YouTubers have also covered up and a lot of motivational speakers keep mentioning about that particular study. And that Harvard study was for something more than 75 years long study. And they have come up with only one secret of happiness is the one who was wise enough to be in fantastic relationship. He or she was only the most happy at the last phases of their lives. They might have attained fantastic designations, they have reached to their success in their professional destinations to their best, but if they were not happy in the relationship or for some reason, for whatever the reasons known better to them, if they divorced their partner, they were not happy irrespective of their achievements in their professional life. So, one thing is very, very clear with that if you want to be happy in life, you must focus, you must learn, you must read through lot of resources how to maintain a good relationship. Good relationship with your own self, good relationship with your partner. Both things are very, very important. Many times we don't understand our own self. So fundamental need and requirement is to understand your own self first. Having understood that, you will be able to understand your partner very well, because the ability to put yourself in someone else's shoe, the empathy will develop only when you know yourself very well. So the fundamental bonding between the two partners is only by love. Love means 100% acceptance. You can accept the worst quality of your partner. Of course, before marriage, everybody tries to impress with the best of their qualities. But remember, there is no one ideal in this world. Something good, something bad will always be there. So, if you are focusing only on the good qualities, and when you will discover some bad qualities later in life, you might not be happy. But if you are with that mental frame that whatever the bad qualities this person has are acceptable to me, then your relationship will not get affected and you will be able to fight the battles of life, the challenges of life together in a much wiser manner. Many times we are just carried away by a lot of Bollywood movies, Hollywood movies, lot of books and romantic resources and knowledge what we gather, but those are all fantasies which are not true. The realities when you are facing, the ground realities when you face of life might be very, very different than what your belief system might be. In Indian scenario, Bollywood is one of the commonest resource which has been putting up in making your thought process. As we all know that our thoughts are commonly coming up by what we read, what we watch, what we listen, what the company we enjoy, majority of your company, your friends, your thoughts are all coming through these sources. 90 to 95% of thoughts what we have are all coming from these sources. So it is very important to learn, to enjoy fantastic relationship in life. If you are not focusing on that, if you are not nurturing your relationship, if you are taking things granted, you are going to land up in serious troubles. Yes, that's something most important what I said just now. When you are taking your relationship granted, you have stopped nurturing your relationship. So it becomes, the bitterness starts in the relationship and it keeps on growing. The repeated bitterness is someday going to land up in a very, very bad scenario. For your own self, don't worry about what others will think. क्या कहेंगे लोग, ये है सबसे बड़ा रोग. मत सोचिए उनकी किसी की, आपको अपना खुद का सुख के बारे में सोचना है. Your concern is your own happiness. And if that is really your concern, then you are required to be very well aware about this humanity subject. And that is how to be in a good relationship, how to make your relationship successful, and that is going to be my topic of my further talks for a few episodes from now. In the health section, I'm going to talk about the musculoskeletal disorders, what diabetic patients faces, and the new series what I'm starting from today is on relationship. So this is just an introductory session for that. Many times when we are in good mood, we do handle things relationship very well. But from profession or somebody misbehaved with you on the way or something went wrong and all you are trying to pull out is on the relationship. We are, in fact, the fundamental problem in the relationship is lack of ability to communicate with each other very well. Ability to listen to each other. Ability to have patience with each other. And the most important thing is, if your communication ability is not good, you cannot expect the understanding to grow very well. So, need to understand that the respect in a relationship is going to happen only by your ability to communicate with each other. If you are disrespectful towards relationship, if you are disrespectful towards each other, definitely you are not going to have a happier life. It's a myth that they got married and lived happily ever after. No, it never happens that way. With the growing times, as we all keep reading every now and then about some other couple after 15 years, after 20 years, they have gone for divorce. Why is that happening? Need to understand. As our ex-president and missile man of India, Professor APJ Abdul Kalam Sahab said that we need to read and learn from failure stories. We need to know what went wrong so that you can prevent things to go wrong in a similar manner. So, if your ability to communicate with each other, for some reason you do not have time for each other, if you are not skillfully communicating with each other, you are heading towards tough times in your relationship. And as I said just now, your relationship is the fundamental need to be happier in life. Thank you very much. We'll be continuing on the same topic with more better references and in a more scientific manner. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and this is going to be a good series. Hope you like it, and do let me know in comments what more things you liked and what more things you want. We can definitely talk about it.